In this video, you will learn how to make small crochet bags. It is a traditional activity that allows you to make a multitude of different designs and objects. Threads of different colors. Scissors. Wool needle. We started. We make 3 chain stitches. 1, 2, and 3. We go to the first point and close the 3 points that we have made. We make 3 chain stitches again to go up. 1, 2, and 3. And now we will make a high point. We take the thread and insert it into the center of the 3 stitches we have made. We pick up the thread again and draw 2 stitches. We pick it up again and draw 2 stitches again. We make a double crochet again. We take the thread, insert it, pull and remove 2 stitches. We take the thread again and take out 2 stitches. We already have 3 double crochets. The 3 chain stitches from the beginning serve as double crochets. Now we make 2 chain stitches. We take the yarn and make 3 double crochet stitches again. 1, 2, 3. We make 2 stitches and then make 3 double crochet stitches in the same hole again. 1, 2, 3. We repeat again. 2 chain stitches and 3 double crochets. You must always try to grab the thread from the beginning so that it stays well secured with the 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. 2 chain stitches and close. We go to the first double crochet and make a slip stitch. Now that we have it closed, we can cut the excess thread. Since we have to start here, we have to make another slip stitch. And now we're going to change colors. Changing colors is very easy. Put it through this hole and grab the yarn of the selected color. Make a slip stitch. And we make 3 chain stitches to go up. 1, 2, 3. And we make only 2 double crochets because this one already serves as a double crochet. We go up, take and pull out 2, take and pull out 2. We take the thread, put it through the hole, take yarn, pull out 2, take yarn and pull out 2. Since this is going to be a corner because we want it square, we're going to make 2 chain stitches here and we'll make 3 double crochets in the same hole again. We try to hide the excess threads with the rows we're making. We continue making double crochets. We now have the first corner, and now we cut the excess threads. And so we continue around the entire round. 1 chain stitch and we make the next corner again. 3 double crochets. 3 double crochets. 2 chain stitches to make the corner, and we make 3 double crochets again. One chain stitch, and we move on to the next corner. Once we have the 4 corners done, we make a chain stitch, come back to the first stitch and make a slip stitch. Since we now want to change the colour, we have to slip 1 more stitch and we're ready. We repeat the process to change the colour. We hold the end securely and go up with 3 chain stitches and make 2 double crochets. We now have 3 double crochets. Now we make 2 chain stitches and make 3 double crochets. And this will continue until we reach the end. We have reached the end and we go into the first stitch to close it, slip stitch, and we have it. We repeat the colour change process and repeat the same process to make another turn. When we complete them, we close it with a slip stitch. We cut the thread and we have the first part. We need 2 identical ones to make the bag. We place them in position. Now we have to sew it around using slip stitch. We'll take the top part with the bottom part and go around it. Now we go up with slip stitch. We also make a slip stitch above each double crochet, up to the center, which is where we'll make the pendant. We make 60 chains to make the pendant. Now we go back to the first stitch to join it. Now we continue making the loop with a slip stitch. To finish, we take the end of the thread with the yarn needle and tuck it into the stitches to hide it and keep it secure. And we'll have our crochet bag ready.